Welcome to HP2B Creating Quotes and POs, where you learn how to create quotes and POs. To create a quote, first, select products and add them to your cart. Go to Cart Summary and click Checkout to create a quote. Then go to Cart Summary and click on Save as Quote. And you're done. The quote is valid for 30 days. If you have the authority, you can change a quote into a PO. First, select a quote by going to Manage Account or Orders and Quotes and choose Quotes. Select the quote you want to turn into a PO. Then click on the Create Purchase Order button. You can save the order details as an Express profile. Type a name and click Add Profile. Once saved, you can use Express Checkout to purchase items immediately. To create a PO from scratch, just follow the same steps. Start by adding products to your cart. Then click Checkout. You'll be asked to enter information. Just like with a quote, the order confirmation page will appear. You may have to pay regulatory fees depending on what you bought and from where. Click on Checkout and you are done. For more details, go to our Quotes and Orders Quick Guide. HP2B, IT Purchasing Made Simple.